Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome to Get Rebel Life TV. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to subscribe free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. This is where we promote African traditional religion, culture, and traditions. I'm a Yoruba man. I represent the rest of Africans who are lovers of our culture, traditions, and religion. You could recall early this month, June 5th, in Owo, where some attackers attacked a church, a very popular church in Owo. It happened, and this got a lot of people talking, and it was a sad news as at the time this incident happened. In fact, what interests me is that our traditional believers came out in mass to pray and to do some ritual rite in order to put these attackers to book, in order to get our Orishas to judge them. Now, it's now trending now that these attackers some of them have been caught, and it's a very great news, But before I go deep into it, as you can see for yourself now, what happened on this sad day, on this, it was a bad day, of course, that these people came to invade the people who are praying to their God, who are worshiping, in their church, and these people came and killed a lot of people, injured a lot of people, So it was a sad news, as you can see for yourself. Now, a few days after this incident happened, I think maybe the following day or thereabouts, the women of the town who are followers of Isheshe, who are followers of Ogun and the other Orishas, came out en masse to pray and to report this incident to Orisha Ogun. As you can see, just take a look. So likewise, men of the town who are worshippers of Ogun came out en masse to report this incident and to pray that the attackers should be caught, must be caught by Ogun. And you can see, this is what we are talking about. We Africans, we have our own system of talking to God, and this system that God gave us, or that God has given to us, it worked very fast, and it never failed. It never failed, as long as you are truthful to yourself, and as long as you don't do evil, do bad with what God Olodumare has given to you or to us in Africa or in Yoruba land. As you can see now, just watch how these men pray as well to Orisha Ogun. Welcome back. So, just now, yesterday is trending across different social media platforms that these people, some of them have been caught, and the leader of amotekun in Ondo State, as you can hear from him. Let me play the video. So that you can hear for yourself what he said about the incident and how about what has happened so far. Just watch it.
We have recovered the last vehicle they used for that operation, and we've made some arrests. And we've also recovered some vital things which we are working on. Like I've told you, we are not stopping until we get to the root. So I can assure you that the perpetrators and their sponsors will be brought to book. Thank you.
Yes, they have been caught. Some of them have been caught, as you have heard it from the leader of amotekun in Ondo State. And as you can see, Isheshe is real. Isheshe is real. This is what we need to protect ourselves in Africa. This is what we need to make life better for us. But what makes me so happy in this incident is that the Isheshe people never say or didn't say that they are the people that this incident happened to were not followers of Isheshe, or were not followers of, even though this were not followers of Isheshe, and they came out to fight for them, and this is the only way they could fight, and they reported this case to Orisha Ogun, and you can see Orisha Ogun is working. You can see what is happening now. So this is what justice is all about. This is what justice is all about. We have been given our spirituality, and this is how it works. Whatever happens, you report to the appropriate Orisha to come in to judge appropriately, and it will happen. It's just started. That I know. This just started. The rest of those who are perpetrators of these evil acts will be brought to book, right? Fine. Our government, amotekun, they are trying as well. They are trying their best as well, and we appreciate their effort. Now, as well, with the couple with what our traditionalists are doing, you should know that our Isheshe is what we should never play with. So, guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button down below if you are new to this channel, so that you don't miss anything on this channel whenever I post a new video. Thank you, and get a better life.